Hello everyone, today we'll be unpacking a GeneratorX Pro. This is what it comes out. You can see it's very well packed here. You can see here a little bit dent, but overall it came very well taped. There was some, damages to the box, but it comes with a packing list, and inside is Spooky2 Portable GeneratorX Pro Essential Kit. This is Essential Kit. Okay, comes in wrapping up with a bubble wrap, as you can see, for protection. And one thing I extremely love with this is that it came with a hard case. This is a hard case, very professional, with handle and two compartments. Compartment one, two zippers, you can unplug it, and here you can see the wires. This is a wire that hooks up the tense pads to the generator, and this also compartment here. It's called a cold laser. There are two lasers they hooked up there. You have sunglasses, but they're for lasers, because you don't want to point your laser to your eyes. Please keep eye on your eyes. That's why you have special glasses. Then you have a PEMF coil, a post-electromagnetic field coil for treatments. Okay, that hooks up to the generator. Then you have bars here, which you have metal bars you hold like this. There are two, and they come also packed. So this is in this compartment here. The next compartment, like here, which in the military we call them molly pouches. We can put samples and store things here extra. And then you unzip the next level. Second compartment also opens up, and there you have again molly pouches with a nice zipper block. You can keep samples here. Comes with a guide. This is a basic guide how to just hook up things. And of course, this is the generator. Comes with a nice bag, and you can see very nice with a LCD display. There are two generators in one now, as you can see here. In one unit you have two generators. You come with a power adapter, which is already preset to the US standard 120 volts. So it comes with 120 volts. They ship it by country. As you can see here, you plug in your adapter, and here you have a USB cable, also comes provided with the unit, and you can plug in here and to your computer, desktop or laptop. This is a wrist laser that attaches to your wrist, your arms. You have a sample digitizer. So here you have a plate that you can put a sample, like a DNA sample or anything like that, and then hook it up to this, and then hooked up to the generator output. This is the generator output here. Also comes with two boosters. These are the boosters to boost the signal, and that's what it looks like. The configuration: you have the booster, the sample, and the digitizer hooked up. Other thing that comes back here, it's very good. That's called the digital remote. The remote where you put here a DNA sample. It could be a hair or nail, a blood or anything like that. One of these, and it hooks up to the generator through the booster, and this is the configuration right there. With two of these remote for each of them. You can use like two remotes, or you can use remote and a sample digitizer. This is the configuration. Also comes with a spare tense pads. They are the one that you can stick to your body for different variety of treatments, and that's what they look like. They have like a gel-like substance. They cover here with protective foil, and as you can see, it's non-sticky. It doesn't have residue, and it sticks to the body. It's for multiple use. You can use it multiple times too. So that hooks up also to the generator output here through this connector. So these are the items we have here, and they also have a spare tense pads you have here. Very well organized, hard case, good technology, adapter included, and a cable to computer. Now, for those of you who want to order this unit, we have it here available in the United States. You save in the shipping cost. They're very high, probably up to $100 to get shipped. So we are based in Connecticut. You can see the information at the end of the video. Thank you.